Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, we will be making a creamy, flavorful pasta. 3 tomatoes, 1 whole garlic, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt, garlic powder, parsley, oregano, jalapeno, sweet potato, paprika. 400 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes. 1 whole sweet potato and bake it on a separate pan. Olive oil and salt. Cook for 40 minutes to 1 hour at 400 degrees. When soft, add all of your roasted veggies into a blender. Olive oil, milk or cream, sweet potato, blend, salt, lemon juice. Set aside. Let's make some homemade cheese to go with it. 2 cups, milk, vinegar. As it heats up, it starts to solidify. Take it off the stove once it is fully separated. Wash and strain if you don't have any cheesecloth. Now season. Microwave for 15 seconds and knead with a spoon. Creamy homemade cheese. Top with oregano, parsley. Cook your desired amount of pasta. Don't forget to add salt, garlic butter. Time to plate. Sauce, cheese, two cups flour, 1 tablespoon yeast, salt, 3 tablespoon sugar, water. Enjoy. Bye.